And did anything about this sentencing surprise you?
Of course, they should not. They should have never been in the jail in the first place. But looking into the length of their sentences, I think the handpicked uh, national security judges in Hong Kong reference similar offenses in China to pretty much hand down that kind of length, and also considered whether they plead guilty or not. So it is not quite a surprise in that sense, because we compare what the prominent Chinese activists in China, like Liu Xiaobo or Li Wangyang, they pretty much face a similar length of sentences, just like Benny Tai. Um, but what surprised me is that the handpicked national security judges didn't go all the length to reference the recent sentencings of those Chinese dissidents that which face 2 decades of imprisonment.
The unofficial primaries, were they really unofficial? What was their goal there?
So according to the laws of Hong Kong, there is no recognized primary election of any kind. So that's why it is an unofficial one that is held among the pro-democracy camp. The Hong Kong authorities didn't go after the organizers or the candidates of these unofficial primaries before the NSL has been imposed. But soon after the NSL came into force, it is the Hong Kong authorities, one of the ministers, warned that such an unofficial primary calling for the five major demands of the Hong Kong's democracy movement were deemed illegal under the such law.
What's your reaction to hearing the sentencing? I mean, obviously we knew it's coming for a long time, but for
I
Hong
think
Kongers and for you being so involved in the pro democracy movement, what did that feel like?
I think because of the case have been dragged uh, for so long that a, a length of the sentences itself uh, is rather not so striking to me rationally. Uh, Emotionally, I would say it might. I just imagine it might be a relief for some of the people who I know. Some of them, I'm like my friends, uh, might be a bit relief to see that there's a light at the end of the tunnel. This is quite paradoxical situation, isn't it? But it is what it is, and I just simply hope that when they could set foot to freedom, they could just enjoy their lives and hope to see them one day soon.